A couple years ago, during the big Zika scare here in the US, a company called Oxitec wanted to release genetically modified mosquitoes into the wild in Florida. This was part of a campaign funded by Bill Gates to reduce the population of mosquitoes by essentially sterilizing the male mosquitoes. And now Oxitec, which has received over $7 million from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, is at it again. And this time, they have received authorization from the EPA under an experimental use permit to release millions of genetically modified mosquitoes in Florida and Texas. Bill Gates has also been funding research into genetically modified mosquitoes to be able to deliver vaccines. Now, I'm not saying that this is what they are doing here, but at the same time, how do we really know, to be honest? Because where's the oversight? Well, the EPA already announced that they're rolling back the regulations due to the coronavirus, so who is monitoring these experiments? As we can see here on the clinicaltrials.gov website, the U.S. Army Medical Research and Development Command conducted a study on immunization via mosquito bite with radiation-attenuated sporozoites in collaboration with Seattle Children's Research Institute and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and the site was updated as recently as last September. This study included 54 different participants and even has a timeline of adverse reactions to the experiment. Now, this research has been going on for years. As we can see here in a 2017 article, "Mosquitoes are the new syringe?" Seattle lab nibbles at malaria vaccine. Now, of course, we know that Bill Gates has been trying to eradicate malaria throughout Africa for a long time. He's been working on vaccines for a long time. They don't have one. And they're also working on engineering mosquitoes to be able to deliver vaccines. Okay, this program was originally funded by Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation ended their support for this research after volunteers got infected with the very disease they were trying to prevent. But the Department of Defense paid for the most recent trial, and the National Institute of Health funded the next one, and that is according to this 2017 report. Bill Gates and the U.S. government are not the only ones exploring this next generation of vaccine delivery using mosquitoes. Japanese scientists are also getting in on the fun, if you want to call it that, as they hope to turn mosquitoes into flying vaccinators.